Need to replace the battery in your 2014-2019 Chevy Corvette key fob? It's a quick DIY task, usually taking just 5 to 10 minutes. This video walks you through the simple process. These models use a CR2032 battery. Let's get started. The Corvette key fob uses a specific CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This 3-volt battery is essential for the fob's operation, and it's important to get the correct type to ensure reliability. Make sure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces up when installing the battery to avoid damaging the electronics. CR2032 batteries are easy to find at electronics stores, online retailers, or auto parts shops. For this replacement, you'll only need a few simple tools that are easy to find and use. A flathead screwdriver is useful for applying gentle pressure when prying open the fob. A plastic pry tool is essential for opening the key fob without scratching the plastic surface. You can also use a coin as an alternative if you don't have a pry tool. These basic tools make the battery replacement process safe and straightforward. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. It's often marked with a small triangle. Gently insert your pry tool into the seam and carefully twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be gentle to avoid damage. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. It might be held in place by a rubber gasket. Gently remove the old battery, taking care with any rubber gasket. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side is facing up. Now, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click. Make sure the seam is closed tightly to ensure proper function. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons to ensure the car responds. If the fob doesn't work, it may need reprogramming. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it might need reprogramming. Replacing the battery can reset the fob's pairing with the vehicle's computer. Some 2014-2019 Corvette models may require resyncing the fob. Try these steps to reprogram. First, check your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. Second, search for Key Fob Learn on the driver's display and follow the prompts. Third, if these steps don't work, consult a certified professional or visit a dealership for assistance. Remember to avoid using metal tools on the circuit board to prevent damage. Also, extreme temperatures can affect battery life, so you might need to replace it more often in very hot or cold climates. Also, keep in mind that this process applies specifically to 2014-2019 Corvette models. Enjoy your working key fob.